my god, testing. So, this is strange. Basically, I've never done this before. I'm going to be talking through my vlog just to kind of justify what's going on, because I feel like it's a little bit kind of mismatched and I've just kind of thrown clips together. So I think it needs a little bit of an explanation. So we're going to try. We're going to see how it goes. So my birthday was the 8th of June. No, no it wasn't. What? So my birthday was the... I can't believe I got my own birthday wrong. So my birthday was the 1st of June, and the night before I was surprised by Ace Gang. Very nice, very cute. I had loads of cute little presents. I had a rainbow cake, which I'm really happy about. It's a rainbow! It's a rainbow! It's a rainbow cake! What are you talking on about? Hi! Happy birthday, Molly! Oh, hi! We were just chilling, having fun, and it was really good. What else happened? Oh yeah, so we all know I love my rainbow cake. Heidi dropped it on the floor. It was cling film and everything, so it didn't get anywhere, like it was fine, it was still edible. And after that, the next day was my actual birthday. Me and Lana went to the beach and had like a cute beach day. It was very nice. Wow. Hi. Wow. Wow. We're just on the beach. Lovely. Wait,
you see it?
Wait.
Do you see
yeah,
it?
yeah, wait.
You see
Yeah,
it?
that's a rock. Yeah.
Dust.
Not even that funny. I think the next clip is probably going to be the cat sanctuary.
Meow.
So we stayed in this really cute lodge. It was the 4 of us, me, my mum, my dad and my brother.
I don't really want to.
Cool. Yeah.
Oh, this is a much better.
It's an Ebby! It's not for sale.
So look, if you had a bit of land and you built yourself something like this, you'd be more than happy, wouldn't you?
Our food, we ate right next to the lion enclosure, which was amazing. You could just watch them just going around and stuff. And
Some different sort of lunchtime entertainment.
all the cats were lovely, to be fair. I don't really know what my favourites were. I think possibly the lions, because I got to feed one. Oh, come up for you? I think that's kind of it. I'm just going to let everything else sort of, you know, speak for itself. I don't think there's much left to say. If it doesn't make sense, I don't really care. There you go.
What's it for your blog thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, here comes Joe.
Hey everyone, here's Joey!
Hey.
Hey bud.
Bye.
At 12 years old, they've got 2 daughters each in the main pride.
In one of our newest enclosures as well.
This is going to be an enclosure. So with servals, they are small little African cats. They are trouble with her at first. She wouldn't take the bottle as well as we wanted her to. Her eyesight wouldn't kick in until sort of a few weeks of age. Yeah.
That looks alright, Joey, doesn't it?
The top meal.
That Joey. Everyone's coming to both.
I know, I just want to sit here really.
That's it. Oh my god.
You're filming that, Moles.
You don't mind having your photo. This is Nuara, the smallest cat species in the world. As I say, don't be fooled by their small stature. They're quite feisty little cats. More, yeah, sort of mobility, and they'll eat a bit more as well. So they're just.
See, wasn't it?
Oh my god.
Yeah, eating the shade, I'll do the same.